فالشباب هم الجيل الذي يتحمل المسؤولية عن كبار السن ويحل محلهم في الأمة، فيجب العناية بهم وتربيتهم التربية الصحيحة.
I think this is related to the parents insulting the child. That's something which is extremely harmful. That's something which is extremely harmful, to insult your child, to belittle your child, to ridicule your child, to embarrass your child. And that's something we'll discuss in detail, inshallah, the coming lecture, of certain things certain manners a person should engage with their child as a means of encouragement, because belittling them and ridiculing them is a means of discouragement. So you have to actually use the opposite. You have to encourage them. Even if they do something that you don't like, there's a way to speak to them that encourages them, instead of belittling them or embarrassing them and the likes. That is counterproductive. It doesn't produce anything, except the child psychologically becomes disturbed by that, to the point where the child has low self-esteem and lack of confidence, and that creates a lot of psychological problems in the child. He or she engages with others in their relationships and the likes, because of a child being insulted when they were younger. So my advice to my brothers and sisters: be very careful not to insult, belittle, or humiliate your child, because it creates trauma within them that stays with them even until adulthood.